Hey YouTubers, I'm going to go and search for enchanted jewelry boxes. Now this does take quite a while to look. Or maybe not. Jump around, I like these jump around things. Jump around. Hope not as hard as the last one that I did. I like fell all the way back to the beginning. Don't know why I did that. Eee, like right there I fell. And I fell and fell and fell all the way back to it. Yay! Another thing. Trying to get up there. Not happening very well. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Okay. Just gotta wait for that. Floating bricks. Doesn't seem very possible, does it? Still. This is Amazing World. Amazing things can happen. That's what I say. So, I don't know. Woohoo! Floating bricks. They're kind of just weird. Oh, I just got that new table back there. To see it? I'm gonna fall! Or maybe? Did I fall on something like that? On my face? Oh, great. Ah! No! See? I fell. Didn't get me jump up on me. Oh, great. Not this again. Oh, yay. Cut it. And I was falling. Like on my face. Come on. Get me up there. Get me up there. Yes. What the heck? This thing moves? You never said this thing moved. Ah! That stinks. Hopefully I can get back on it. Jump! Okay. It's up here. This is harder than the other one. I just don't like heights, you guys. You should know that. And you can, like, really feel the heights and stuff. Okay, so at the very end, I wish you could, like, put that one. Yay! Wonder if I won anything. Okay. Yay! Okay. Okay, got this. So, let's get this. Okay. Aww. I just got one of those. Maybe it's like a daily item that you get, so if you like play it 3 times, you get 3 of those. Yay! Enchantment. SP level up. I think it's XP points or something. I don't know. XP is points, I don't know. I thought. Extra points? I don't know. But I guess that's technically it. Guys, bye-bye.